Here is a step-by-step guide to executing this perfectly in PowerPoint. Insert your first hexagon. Duplicate it 4 times, Ctrl+D, so you have 5 total. Arrange them in your preferred layout, e.g., a honeycomb cluster. Insert a rectangle that covers the entire slide. Right-click it and select Send to Back. Select the rectangle first, then hold Shift and select all 5 hexagons. Go to Shape Format, Merge Shapes, Fragment. Delete the original hexagon pieces that are now cut out from the rectangle. You should now have a single rectangle with 5 hexagon-shaped holes in it. Note: ensure you have one solid hexagon copied to your clipboard before you finish this step. Give your fragmented rectangle a gradient fill. At this stage, your hexagon holes will show the white background of the slide. Duplicate slide 1. Paste your saved hexagon. Give it a solid fill, e.g., yellow, and a nice outline, maybe 2-point width. Place this hexagon exactly over one of the fragmented holes. Duplicate it 4 more times to cover all the holes. Place an icon in the center of each hexagon. Add a large number, 1 to 5, and a text box for your description. Go to the Transitions tab. Select both slides and click Morph. The effect: when you play the presentation, the empty holes on slide 1 will appear to be filled by the colored hexagons sliding or fading into place on slide 2.